Uh, Continuation of statistics. Last 3 problems left. Almost all we are at the end of the chapter. We completed the first exercise based on 3 central tendencies: arithmetic mean, median, mode. Lot of problems we solved on mean, median, mode. Over. Next, in the second exercise, how to construct the frequency distribution table for ungrouped data. Suppose if a raw data is given, how to arrange this in the form of a table, taking the class intervals and tally marks and frequency. That we completed. And after that, in the last exercise, we are constructing some curves, bar graph, histogram, frequency curve, frequency polygon. These 4 I explained. We have 2 more also, greater than cumulative, 2 more also that I will explain later. So now these 4, bar graph, we don't have any problems in this. Histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve. These 3, based on these 3 we are solving the problems. So this is the last exercise, and all of you open your textbook, students. 7.3 exercise. Exercise 7.3. Second problem. Construct a histogram. That's all. Construct a histogram. See, I am writing the table, the given table. Students, this is a table. Construct the histogram. 360, 100, 125, 140, 95, 80, 60, and 360, 400, 440, 480, 520, 560. Now, we have to prepare the class interval, students. Class intervals we have to prepare. Class interval. Preparing the class intervals. We get, see, frequency histogram. Just remember the histogram. Histogram means we have to take the class intervals and frequency. Class intervals and frequency. So because class intervals are not given, frequency is given, we have to first I will explain that histogram later. Already we solved 2 problems, but again I will explain. First, we have to prepare the class intervals. That you remember. Class intervals we have to prepare. Same table I am writing. Prepare the class intervals. But what is this? These are the mid values. Marks means mid values. These are the mid values. You have to prepare the class interval. Because frequency histogram means we require the class interval. Students, I am writing the table once again. Don't write. Class interval frequency. class interval. 360 is the mid value. What is the difference, friends? 40-40 difference. 40-40 difference. 40-40 difference. Difference is 40-40. 360, 440. 400, 440, 40. 400, 440, 480, 40-40 difference. 40 difference means the class interval also 40 difference. So this is the mid value. So 40 means 20 you add. 360 plus 20, 380. 360 minus 20, 340. The class interval is 340 to 380. Middle is 360. This is the mid value. Difference is 40-40. So this difference also 40. So add 20. 360 plus 20, 380. 360 minus 20, 340. So difference is 40. So first class is what, students? 340 to 340, 360. 340, 360. This is the class interval. Mid value will be 380. Sorry. 380, 340. Mid value 380 plus 340 is 720 by 2 is 360. Next mid value 400. Add 20 this side, 20 subtract. Or else it will be continued. So if this is up to 340 means it will start from 380. If it is ending at 380, next we will start with 380. 40-40 difference. 380 plus 40 is 420. Next class is over. Again continuing with 420. 40, add 40, 460. Students, find the mid value. 420 plus 460 is 880 by 2 is 440 only. Next, continuing with 460 plus 40, that is 500. 500 plus 40, 540. 540 plus 40, 580. That's all. So mid value is given. I prepared the class interval. So this is 100. This is 125. 140. 95. 80. 60. 100, 125, 140, 95, 80, 60. 100, 125, 140, 95, 80, 60. Mid value given means class interval will be like this. Same table I wrote once again by introducing the class intervals. So write down that table. You first write down this table from the textbook question. After preparing the class intervals, the table will become like that. Now, histogram. Horizontal line. Vertical line. It should be a graph paper actually. Graph paper. Students, see here. 340. Suppose I will take 340 here. 380. 420. 460. 500. 540, 580, 340, 380, 420, 460, 500, 540, 580. Total, all the from 340 to 580, all 340, 380, 420, 460, 500, 540 and up to 580. No, 580. Now, frequencies are up to 140. So, students, let us take 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. See here. 340 to 380 up to 100. 340 to 380 up to 100. 100 here. Three 40 to 380 up to 100. 340 to 380 up to what? 100. 340 to 380, 100 frequency is 100. 340 to 380 up to 100. 380 to 420 up to 125. 380 to 420 up to 125. See here, 100, 120. I think these may not be visible to you. So 125 means between 120 and 130. If you use the graph paper, we will get exact. So 120 to 130, 125 will be here. 125 between 120 and 130. 125 here. So 380 to 420. 380 to 420. Up to 125, 380 to 420, students, 380 to 420, up to 125. Next, 420 to 460, 420 to 460, 140, 140 is here, 140 is here. Start from 420 to 460 up to 140. Four 460 up to 140. 420, 460 up to 140. Next, students, 460 to 500, 460 to 500, ah, 460 to 500, 460 to 500 up to 95, 460 to 500, draw the rectangle of length up to 95, 95 means between 90 and 100, 95 is between 90 and 100 here, like this. Four 60 to 500 up to 95. 460 to 500 up to 95. $500 to 540 students. 500 to 540, 80. 500 to 540, 80. 500 to 540, 80. 80 is where? 80 is here. Up to height 80, length 80. 500 to 540, 80. 540 to 580, 60. 540 to 580, 60. 540 to 580, 60. 60. 540 to 580, 60. Over students, this is the histogram. Actually, given question, class intervals are not given. I prepared. We can prepare because mid value 360 means difference is 40, 40. So 360 plus 20, 20. You add 20, you would subtract 20. So class interval become 340 to 380. Like that. Complete this problem. Three F40 to 380. Start a rectangle here. Of length, how much? Length, we can call, we can also call it as height, but we let us, any word, height is equal to how much? 100, because 100. 340 to 380, draw a rectangle with scale up to 100. That's all. Next 380 to 420 up to 125. 380 to 420, draw a rectangle up to 125. Like this. Students, after completing this, students, third only we completed in the last class. Third is over. Now fourth. Fourth and fifth, only two problems left. So we will complete fourth one today. Fifth one will left over. We can complete afterwards. Fourth one, all of you write fourth one. Third is over. Even those who have missed the last class also, no problem, because third one, same histogram only, you can draw it. Same histogram only, you can draw it. You can do the third one. Taking the class into 500 to 550, 550 to 600, 600 to 650, 650 to 700, 7 to 750, 750 to 800. Third is over, students. Fourth problem. Students, draw that table. 24 to 28, 28, 32, 32, 36, 36, 30, 40, 40, 44, 44, 48, 12, 10, 15, 9, 8, 6. 12, 10, 15, 8, 15, 9, 8, 6. Construct frequency polygon and frequency curve. Students, actually this is difficult. Even in 10th class, 9th and 10th also these problems will repeat. So it is actually graph means little difficult. So construct frequency polygon. Of course both are similar, just a slight difference I will explain. So frequency polygon, how to construct? For frequency polygon I gave the notes. For frequency polygon we require the mid values of the classes and frequency. Two things we require. What we require? Mid values or class marks. Mid value is also called class mark. Class mark means mid value, and we require frequency. These two things we require. Frequency is there. See, frequency is there. Mid values, class marks are not given. Interval is given. You find the mid value. Mid value you have to find. Students, what is the mid value of this? 24 to 28 class mark. See here students. 24 plus 28 by 2. 52 by 2, 26. Mid value is 26. For 20 to 28 class, how to find the mid value? 24 plus 28 by 2, 52 by 2, 26. See here students. Class marks and frequency. For all the classes we have to find the class marks. 24 to 28, what is the mid value? 26. Frequency is 12. What is the mid value of 28, 32? 28 plus 32 by 2. 60 by 2 is 30. But you need not find. Directly we can tell. Because what is the difference students? 24, 28 difference is 4, 4, 4 difference. So here also mid value also 4, 4 difference. Lower limits 4, 4 difference. Upper limit 4, 4 difference. Mid value also 4, 4 difference. 26 means next will be 30. Next will be 4 difference. 34. Next will be 38. Next will be 42. Next will be 46. Like this. 20 plus 28. 24 plus 28 by 2. 52 by 2 is 26. And after that 4, 4 difference. So 26 plus 4 is 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 34 plus 4, 38. 38 plus 4, 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. Frequency is already given. 12, 10, 15, 9, 8, 6. I prepared the mid values. Mid values are also called class marks. Students, first write down this from the textbook. This is the question. But I changed this table into this form because I don't want class intervals. I want mid values, class marks. Class marks means mid values. Frequency same I took. Right. So how I prepared these mid values? I did not wrote any step here. Directly I wrote the table. How? You can see this. 24 plus 28. 24 plus 28 by 2. Mid value. Middle. 24 plus 28 by 2. 52 by 2 is 26. Similarly, 28 plus 32 by 2. 60 by 2 is 30. Like that. Same. 32 plus 36 by 2. But you need not find. If you know 1, 4, 4 add. Why 4, 4? 4 difference. If you keep on adding 4, 26 plus 4, 30, 30 plus 4, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 4, 42, 42 plus 4, 36, like that. frequency polygon. We have to draw frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. X-axis, Y-axis. Students, we have to cover all these mid values on this mid values. Mid values here, and here is frequency. How to draw this frequency polygon? Mid values here, frequency here. Mid values, frequency. 26, 30, 34, 38, 42, 46 we have to cover here. So I will take 10 difference. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10 on a graph paper. So one box is equal to 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 difference I took. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's all. Frequency. Suppose if you are on your graph, suppose if there are 15 boxes, you can take each box as 1 because our maximum is 15 only. Maximum 15. So I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this. Students, how to take the mid values? Don't use the mid value because every time I am using that convenient word, but actually the word is class marks. Class marks. Class marks, nothing but mid value. So frequency. Frequency. So I took 10, 10, 10 difference, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because we have small number only, maximum 15. So if it is big number, we have to take 5, 5 difference or 10, 10 difference. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. Now see students, mid value on the x-axis. First see 26. Where is the 26? 26. Between 20 and 30. So if you are using the graph paper, between in one big box, there will be small boxes. So you count 6 and that is 26. Between 20 and 30, 26, say this is 26. 26 and what is frequency? 12. This is 26. Frequency is 12. See students, 12. 12 is here. So frequency 26. 26, 12. This is the point. 26, 12. Say this is A, for example. 26, 12. 26 means between 20 and 30 there are 10 small boxes. So sixth box will have 20, will give 26. 26 up to 12. See 12. Next. 30, 10. 30 is here. 30 is here, 10 is here, students. 10. 30, 10. 30, 10. 30, 10. 34, 15. 34. 34 is after 30 count 4 boxes. 34 is here between 30 and 40. 34. 34, 15. 15 is here, students. This is the third point. See. Next, 38, 9. 38. 38 is somewhere here. 38 means between 30 to 40 only. After 8 boxes. 38. 9. 9 is here. Students, 9. This is the point. Here we have to see 38 up to 49 point. Students, don't write. 42. 42 is after 40. 42 is after 40. After 42 boxes. So 42 here up to 80. 80, 88. See here. Ah. 42, 8. 42, 8. 46, 6. 46. 46. 46 means after 44, 6 boxes. 46, 6. 6 means here. 46, 6. 46, 6. 46, 6. 46, 6. After plotting the points, just join them by scale. If you join them by scale, that is frequency polygon, not by curve. Scale. Scale means lines. This is the frequency polygon. Students, copy it. That is a polygon. Frequency polygon. First, frequency polygon. Students, you read the question. In the same fourth question, for this data, 2 questions are asked. Frequency polygon and frequency curve. For the same data, frequency polygon is over. Now I will draw frequency curve. Separator. Again separate paper. Separate paper, students. I will rub this because you do it afterwards. I am rubbing this. You will watch that video once again and you do it. Sorry, students. A, B, C is not joined. C we forgot. Last the diagram is wrong, students. I did a mistake. C I forgot. C we have to join. I forgot C. Please correct it. C was not visible, so after this B I directly went like this. C is there. A, B, C, D, E, F. You correct this. The frequency polygon, we did a mistake, so we did not join the C. After B, C point we forgot. C, D, E, F. Now, again, separate paper. Same with class marks only, same frequency only. The difference between frequency polygon and frequency curve is same points. If you join with the lines, it is called polygon. If you join with the curve, it is called frequency curve. That is only the difference. Same points. So once again, you do it on separate paper. Even in the question also it is mentioned that do on separate paper. So separate paper. Now, class marks means mid values 26. First one is 26, frequency is 12. 26, 12. Point. 30, 10. 30, 10. Point. 34, 15. 34 and 15 is here. 34, 15. 38, 9. 38, 9. 42, 8. 42, 8. 46, 6. 46, 6. Same way like polygon and curve, same points. But joining them is different. Now we have to join by curve, not by line. See here, students. A, B, C, D, E, that's all. Like this will go and come down and come down, come down, come down. This is called frequency curve. So you practice it, but unfortunately only one question is given. So if you don't understand, we will solve one more by taking one example like that. So you first try to practice this. Frequency polygon and frequency curve is over. And last problem left.